Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Dolphin Emulator for iOS and Androids. This is completely free. So I'm going to show you how to download it. So let's get into the guide. So as you can see guys, this is the Dolphin Emulator. So we have all the games here. So I'm going to show you exactly to get this onto your device. It's super cool. Alright, so just go to this site and then find it, press download. So before it downloads, there is like a verification thing. So you just have to like download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, and then you'll get the Dolphin emulator. So as you can see, it says almost there. So this is the part with the apps. So you just want to download 2 of these. So you can see we got like Reco Social, which says download and play a game. So I could do this. I could do misplay, install and play 2 games, Mo Casino. So that's how to get the Dolphin emulator for your device. So it's super cool. But yeah, I mean, I've tried everything, guys. So this actually works. There's always gonna be haters and stuff, but if you can stomach being a king, you get the Dolphin emulator, because kings don't back down. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but that's how to download it for your device. This fully works. I don't really know why it's showing Jurassic Park, but there it is. So yeah, peace out guys. It's very cool, so hope you enjoyed. There is no jailbreak involved, so I've always looked for stuff like this, so whatever. See you guys later and peace out.